guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be trying to recreate an Urban Outfitters outfit at the thrift store. So I saw the Sorry Girls do this here on YouTube a few weeks ago and I thought it was such a brilliant idea because I really enjoy Urban Outfitters style and really like to get inspiration from their store or their website, but I don't like paying Urban Outfitters prices. It's just a little too pricey for me. So I thought this was such a fun idea to take some inspiration from Urban Outfitters, pick a few outfits on their website, and then go to the thrift store and try and recreate them a bit. So I'm not going to be trying to get an exact outfit dupe at the thrift store because obviously that's not going to be a thing, but I am wanting to take these ideas, I'm going to show you a few outfits that I found on their website, and I'm going to take these outfits and kind of see what I can find. Now I did choose some outfits that I thought would be easy to find things at the thrift store that are similar, so again, it's not going to be exactly the same, so there might be some color differences, there might be some pattern differences, but just the overall feel and vibe of the outfit will be similar. So I'm going to show you a few things that I think might be a little bit easy to replicate at the thrift store or that I just think would be really cute and I'm hoping that I can replicate at the thrift store. So this is the first outfit that I thought was super cute. It's this little wrap dress. I found this somewhere else on the website. It's a little wrap dress, but then with the denim coat over it, a little purse, then it's got some little booties. I just thought that was super adorable, and those kind of dresses you sometimes can find at the thrift store. Here's another outfit that I thought is so cute. Some distressed denim shorts, and then denim on denim. You gotta love denim on denim. And then the cute little western belt. I've been wanting one of these belts for a while, so we'll have to see if I can find one. But I love this look. I think that's so cute and definitely something I would wear. And then I thought this is a super safe outfit for me. I can always use a pair of black skinnies, and I feel I always find black skinnies at the thrift store. And so these don't look super high. They look about mid-rise, and then just a classic white t-shirt, sleeves rolled up, and again that western belt, and again some booties. And so I thought this is kind of a classic look and definitely something I would wear. This one is another one that I love again. So you've got those black skinnies. These ones have some distressing on the bottom, which is cute, and again with those booties. And then this actually looks super similar to that other denim shirt. This one looks kind of western-ish, and then you've got that western belt. This is probably the outfit that I'm really aiming for, and so hopefully I can find this. I think that's so freaking cute. And then the last one, this is a stretch. I don't think I would find something like this, but I do think it's so cute. You've got these orange flared pants, and then this super cute little graphic top. And again, I don't think I would find something quite like this in the thrift store, but you never know. I love these pants. I think they're so cute. So I've got 5 different outfits to choose from. This one is pretty safe. This one's pretty cute. This one is ultra safe and something that I don't think I would have issues finding at the thrift store. And then this one is my ideal, and then this one's kind of the hopes and dreams of the thrifting world. So I am super excited to try this, and I feel maybe I didn't mention this. I'm giving myself a little bit of rules. So the first rule is I don't really want to repurchase anything that I have previously already thrifted. So for instance, I've already thrifted a denim jacket that I wear all the time. I love it. So I don't really want to purchase another one. And then the second rule is I kind of want to keep it under $20. Hopefully. 20-ish, you know? So, here we go! I went thrifting last night, and I honestly didn't have much luck. Like, nothing was working out. I kept finding things that I thought would be good, but nothing was like fitting right or really looking like I had hoped. And so I found one thing. Quite a few of the outfits that I was kind of trying to replicate had like a Western looking belt, and I found the perfect belt. I love it so much. It's like this black leather belt. It's got kind of this detailing and like braiding here, and then the buckle is awesome. It's got the little like belt tip, and so I love this. This I got for $7.99, and this is like a leather belt. There was quite a few other ones that were kind of more just like a braided belt, still leather, that were much cheaper, but I thought this one was such good quality. It seems like it's in really good condition still. I'm really excited about this belt. And so since I couldn't replicate any of the outfits at the thrift store, I thought it might be kind of fun to attempt to replicate some of them with my own clothes, and like whether it's stuff I've thrifted before or just stuff I have in my closet. So let's see what I come up with. Between those like two outfits, they were both with black skinny jeans and like a belt. One just had a white t-shirt and the other one had a like denim button-up shirt, and so it's kind of the best of both worlds. I love a good like black and white look. The belt is definitely like the star of the show, so I'm so happy I got it. But just to kind of give you a quick run through of my outfit, I did pick up this shirt thrifting at least a month or so ago. The brand is like 14th and Union or something. I've never really heard of it, but I picked it up and I think it was like $3. It was very inexpensive. I didn't think I would really like a white button-up shirt, but I wanted to get it just to kind of play around with it and see what I was thinking, and I ended up loving it. I wear it pretty frequently. And then my jeans are some Levi's. I did talk about them in my birthday haul video. I picked them up at Marshall's. They were a great find. They're like deconstructed Levi's denim. I love them. And then my shoes are some boots that my mom got me for Christmas. I think they're from like JCPenney's or something. And then the belt, again, is from the thrift store today, or yesterday. But I love it. I think it's so cute. I love all the detail on it, the buckle, the little end of the belt is so cute. So I'm so excited. I love this look, and I think it's so fun. While I was kind of bummed that like my outfit recreation didn't work out at the thrift store, I wasn't exactly sure if I wanted to spend a bunch of money on clothes anyways. Like, I already have clothes in my closet that I love. I don't really need anything right now, and so it kind of worked out all right. And that's one of the things with thrifting, is that it's hard to go in looking for something. You kind of have to be flexible. You kind of have to like be okay with not finding things all the time. Last night I was like looking through so many things, and there was so much that I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute, but it's not what I'm looking for. Like, keep your eyes on the prize. Like, just look for what you're looking for, or else you get very distracted. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. But until next time, I'll see you later. Bye guys.